Nothing can be more frustrating than working on your jewelry project and realizing that bad lighting is impeding your work. Today, we're going to look at 3 different LED bench lights to help you become a better jewelry artist. First is the Aono LED bench light. This is a fantastic LED bench light for those of you on a budget. It'll brighten up your bench and everything underneath it. This LED bench light gives you all the benefits of using LED lighting while keeping the price tag comparatively low. Next is the Durham Jewelers LED Balanced Arm Workbench Light. This is an excellent addition to any jeweler's bench that is surprisingly affordable. This LED bench light features multiple brightness settings and light temperatures. Finally, we have the extra wide silver finish jeweler's LED task lamp with a USB port. This all aluminum lamp is sturdy and very well constructed. It's easy to adjust, and most importantly, it gives off a lot of light. Thank you so much for watching. For more information and to see the full article, visit Ganoksin.com.